Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have some happy mail to share with you today. This is coming from our good friend Sele, who is on Instagram and YouTube. I'll put her links in the description box below. And just wanted to share. Look at how cute. She got some cute little stickers on her envelope, and her little envelope is like so cute. I love it. Love it. Love it. Sele, my friend, thank you for this. This is so, what do you call it? Unexpected. I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas. This is the 26th of December, day after Christmas. Look at this girl. Oh my gosh. I don't know what she sent me. I cannot imagine what is in here. She did say she's going to send me something, but I was thinking like, you know, a card. like Eve said, she's going to send me a card. But anyway, let's get into this. Let me open this up. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What is this in here? Oh, you guys, look at this. Oh, is this from the Candy Cane Lane? Look at her little shred. Her shred is red, white, and gold. Some yellow. Very cute, Sele. Thank you. Okay, let's see. Did she put a card in here? My friend. Oh my God, Sele. Look at her Gingy, our fellow Gingy lover. Yes, girl, yes. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Okay. And then let's open this up. Oh, you guys, what's funny? Oh, it's ripped. My husband, I was watching Sele's video and just a few minutes ago, and my husband came in from the front, and there was a mail there. He goes, "It's definitely not for me." I was like, "Oh, okay." And I looked at it. I was like, "Oh, it's from Sele." Oh, thank you, my friend. Little cute little Gingy. Look at the die cuts. Look at her. Look at her hair. It's so cute. Oh, the Gingies. Look at the doily. Oh, it's foam, glitter foam. She die cut the little doily. How cute. Let's get our Gingies all together. Look at that. Oh, look at this one. How cute, Sele. Oh my gosh, girlfriend. Thank you. Oh, this adorable Gingy bag topper. I think this is Erica's die. Oh my gosh. Yeah, and BB shared Erica's die sets with us for this release. I believe it was the October. I think it was October release. I might be wrong, but these are so cute. So she used gold background on this one, gold glitter cardstock. And this one is a red shimmer cardstock. It's kind of hard to see with this lighting of mine. Let's see, we could turn the lights up a little. There we go. There, see the red shimmer? The shimmer has almost like a gold effect on it. How pretty. And I love how she packaged this with the Gingy tin. And you've got all the Gingies in here. How cute. I love it, Sele. Thank you. Thank you, my friend. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And this is the next one. And this one has, I see some beads in here. Girl. Oh my gosh. Wow. That is full. What in the world? Oh, look at all the little spacer beads. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Let me see if I have a dish in here. Oh Let's see. Oh, it is full to the brim. Oh, I just didn't realize there was tape on there. Oh my gosh. It just wants to stick to me now. Oh, look at all these goodies. Oh, oh, girl. What the feezy? Look at the gummies. We got some gummies. Oh, that looks like from Carmen Q Crafts. This one's got a bale on it. Look at what the shades. It's got little glasses, a peppermint bead, a gingy charm. Look at her. How cute is she? The candy canes. Look at this fancy bead. That is cute. It's a frosted, it almost looks like a frosted glass, but I think it's plastic. Very pretty. And then all of these fancy spacer beads. I don't know what they're called, but look at those. You got clear and white and red. It's very cool to add to your beadables, all your pens or pokey tools. She's got this one. This is so fancy. Oh my gosh, we love our chunky beads. Look at this one right here. Oh my goodness. We've got heart, faceted hearts. Another gingy. Oh my gosh, Sele, you let go of your gingies? What? This is another peppermint silicone bead. And then, ooh, look at this that I just picked up. This teeny tiny gingy. How cute. And then a heart. And then more of these beads. Very pretty. Oops. I think those are from Ebony Shop, I think. And look at this one. That is super fancy. Goodness. What else is in here? Some stars. Some flatback stars. We have a gingy in a cup. How cute. Look at him. Oh my God. So, so cute. You guys, these are microscopic teddies and they're beads. I don't know if you can see that hole right there. There's a hole at the top. There you go. And it's super tiny. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. And then what else do we have? We got some little beads, some pearl beads. We got some marbling beads. How cute. Oh my goodness, look at the cookie cutter. Oh my gosh, so many goodies in this thing. Wow, 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 wow. Look at this chunky little red, look, a marble. We got more faceted beads. Here's another one of the teddies. How cute is this thing? It's so tiny. Oh, and I see a star, little frosted star. And then a candy cane, those polymer candy canes. Oh my gosh, you could see all the fabulous goods in here. Just gorgeous. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Chunky, chunky candy cane lane was the bomb, baby. This is a bead, so there's another hole in there. More little goodies. Oh, look at this flatback star. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Sele. Wow, that is a lot of goodies in that little jar. I'm not going to attempt to put it into the jar right now. Not just yet. Okay, I got a few things to learn about these things because never been to a meetup, but I'm learning stuff as we go. So, official cookie tester, how cute is this? And we've got this wonderful rosette here. I think this is Rosette Guru. Then we've got some eyelet trim. This is Sele's signature design feature. She loves using eyelash trim. And then she shared this pretty ribbon. It's the gingy. Oh my God, where's this from? Holiday style. It's $2, but look at that. And there's a little bit of glitter on the ribbon. So very cute, true to Sele's nature. We love our gingies, right, Sele? You and me, babe. Oh, and here is her Memdex card. She made a Memdex card. Oh my God. Look, it got a little squash from the mailman, but it's okay. We're going to fix her. She's still sturdy. I love this poinsettia. Look at this layered poinsettia right there. And she's got the 25 on here. Got a sticker here with the light bulb, string of lights. It says Christmas countdown. How cute with the gingy. And she's got a little peppermint candy cane here. And then another gingy, the same one that she shared with us. And then she's got a little felt Christmas tree. How pretty. She even inked the edges on the Memdex card with a little pink ink. How pretty. Oh my gosh, Sele, this is gorgeous. And then she shared a bunch of goodies. Oh, uh-oh. I think one of them popped off a little bit, but we could fix her. Definitely fix her. Look, it's the KS Craft large cookie sheet. And she's got faux leather bows on here. How cute is this print? It's the gingerbread man, and she's got a gingerbread church going on. Here's that little flatback star she shared with us. So candy canes. Oh, I love the stickers. And I wonder if this one was here. I'm just taking a wild guess, but I'm thinking it was supposed to be here. And look at the little Gingy with the bow on him. Oh my goodness. How cute is he? His face is so adorable. These teeny tiny hearts. Oh my gosh. This is a freaking amazing. Thank you so much, Sele. You did so much work here, and you shared so much with me. You didn't have to, my friend, but I love it. I appreciate you. And thank you again for thinking of me. We were all excited. I was so super excited to meet all those wonderful ladies at the meetup, but you know, sometimes Mother Nature just has all the all the magic in the world to make me not fly. But guys, like I said, I'll leave her links in the description box below, and I will see you all on the next crafty video. Thank you again, Sele, and happy holidays, everyone. Bye.